everybody, I'm Charlie with the ReCon Shop. Today we have a 2015 Dodge Journey that we are going to be fixing a pretty severe door ding in the passenger side front door. If you have damage like this, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. All right, let's get started. You know, in some cases we have to do what's called R&I, which means remove and install. That's taking things apart on the vehicle in order to get access with our tools. But in some cases, using the paintless dent repair method, we're able to fix and repair damage without having to take anything apart. That's always the best case scenario for us. And in this case, that's what we're going to try for first. I'm going to be using this shield to protect the window, and using this wedge to make some space for our tools to go down into the door and repair this damage without having to take and disassemble the door.
In all seriousness, we could tell right away that this dent was going to be very difficult and take a really long time to do. But who would want to watch that? Instead, I think we'd rather watch it in a little funner of a tempo.
Well, the damage on this Dodge Journey came out fantastic using paintless dent repair. We were able to do this repair in a matter of hours instead of having it at a body shop for days. If you have damage like this and you'd like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair, then give us a call at 512-290-HAIL or look us up online at www.thereconshop.com and click on Request Service, or come on by the shop. We're located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the ReCon Shop. Thanks for watching.